Dear visitors, welcome to the official website of the Central State Audiovisual and Electronic Archives of Ukraine. In its current form, this institution was established in 2022 as a result of the merger between the H.S. Pshenichny Central State City Photo-Phono Archives of Ukraine and the Central State Electronic Archives of Ukraine. The newly formed institution is the legal successor to both archives. The origins of the archive, however, date back to the 1930s. As of July 1, 2025, the archive contains 63,488 items of film documents, 3,385 items of video documents, 442,998 items of photo documents, 31,382 items of audio documents, and 257 electronic information resources, websites. It preserves audiovisual documents, film, video, photo, and sound recordings created before 1991, audiovisual documents accumulated during the activities of institutions, organizations, and enterprises, regardless of ownership, as well as civic associations and private individuals in independent Ukraine. Audiovisual documents of legal entities and individuals that have been received from abroad in accordance with established procedures, copies of the aforementioned documents held in other archives, museums, and libraries, electronic documents and electronic information resources of legal entities and individuals. We are pleased to introduce a video tutorial that will guide you through the use of our Electronic Catalogue, a digital gateway to the archive's reference system. This online resource offers direct access to the inventory records for the archival holdings and is available around the clock. For the best experience with the website, it is recommended to use the Firefox browser. You can find the Electronic Catalogue link at the bottom of the home page. Clicking the icon takes you to the Electronic Catalogue page, where you can find inventory records for the documents preserved in the archive. The catalog is divided into 5 main sections: 1. Film documents, 2. Photo documents, 3. Sound documents, 4. Video documents, 5. Fonts, including born digital materials and electronic information resources. The catalog supports multi-level searches and is continually updated with new entries. Please note, the catalog is in Ukrainian, and all search keywords must be entered in Ukrainian. Automatic translation can help you navigate and read general information on the website, but language skills are essential for the effective use of the Electronic Catalogue. Basic level of Ukrainian is enough for searching photos. B1 or higher is needed for reading full-text editing sheets, shooting logs, and working with complex documents. Searching film documents. To search for feature films, television programs, documentaries, or newsreels by topic, select the Film Documents section. Each entry includes archival number, title, type of film document, author, producer, year of production, annotation. You can use the search bar to enter keywords. For example, typing Chernobyl and pressing enter will display all related film documents. For broader search results, we recommend entering word stems, for example, Kievsk or Revoluts, instead of full words. This section also allows searches for film documents by director, year of release, or title. When you identify a film document of interest, select its catalog record to view the detailed description. The item page, in addition to the previously listed metadata, contains the complete text of the editing sheet in PDF format. The editing sheet provides a scene-by-scene account of the audiovisual content in chronological order. including descriptions of the visual sequences, dialogue, on-screen text, music, camera shots, and speeches, as well as details on authorship and copyright ownership of the work. If you locate a film document you wish to view in the archive or request a copy of, note its archival reference number, specify the parts required for viewing, if that's applicable, and contact the archive. Searching photo documents. In the photo documents section, each entry includes archival reference number, annotation, shooting location, date of shooting, names of photographers. Use the search bar to locate photo documents by keyword. For example, type Kyiv and pressing enter will display all related photo documents. Clicking on a photo record opens a detailed page with metadata and, where available, a preview image. You can also narrow your search by date range using the date of shooting column. If you locate a photo document you wish to view in the archive or request a copy of, you should note its archival reference number and contact the archive. Searching sound documents. The sound documents section includes item number, stock taking item number, title, type and genre, composer, author of the text, performer or speaker, duration, recording date, language. Use the search bar to locate sound documents by keyword. If you locate a sound document you wish to view in the archive or request a copy of, you should note its item and stock taking item numbers and contact the archive. Searching video documents. The video documents section includes news broadcasts, reports, documentaries, and analytical programs collected since 1998. Each entry includes archival number, title, type of the documents, director, producer, date of production, duration, annotation. Use the search bar to locate video documents by keyword. Each video record includes a detailed description and, where available, a shooting log in PDF, organized chronologically with information about scenes, character speech, camera work, and authorship. For example, we select the news broadcast of Vitsi Tizhnya from December 16th to the 21st, 1996. Click on its card and a window opens with more detailed information about the document and its shooting log. If you locate a video document you wish to view in the archive or request a copy of, you should note its archival reference number and contact the archive. Exploring the fonts. The fonts section contains 42 personal and institutional fonts and collections comprising electronic documents and digital resources. Each entry includes font number, title, type of font, number of items, number of inventories, date range. Clicking a font name provides access to its inventories. For example, select Font 4, the archival collection, The Chernobyl Disaster, 25 years later. Click its title to open a page displaying the inventory in PDF format. Then, click the PDF file icon to view the description, which lists the electronic information resources contained in this font, along with their indexes, titles, creation dates, file sizes, and the cryptographic hash algorithms used for the files. If you find an electronic information resource you wish to view in the archive or request a copy of, note the font number, inventory number, and the index of the electronic information resource, and then contact the archive. We are proud to offer a reliable and user-friendly digital platform that brings our archival holdings closer to the users. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your research.